Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam. Nunam pramatta kurute vikarma. Vikarma means forbidden, criminal activities. There are three kinds of activities: karma, vikarma, akarma. Karma means prescribed duties. That is karma. Just like sakarma in the Bhagavad Gita. Sakarma na tamabharja. Everyone has got prescribed duties. Where is that scientific understanding? There must be, as I was talking the other day, scientific division of the human society. The most intelligent class, they should be trained up as Brahman. Little less intelligent, they should be trained up as administrators. Less intelligent, they should be trained up as traders, agriculturists, and cow protectors. The economic development requires cow protection, but these rascals do not know. The economic development means cow killing. Just these rascal civilization. Don't be sorry. It is Shastra. Don't think that I am criticizing the Western civilization. It is Shastra says, very experienced. So, there are so many economic development advocates, but they do not know that cow protection is one of the items of economic development. These rascals do not know. They think cow killing is better. Just the opposite. Therefore, kurute vikarma, simply for little satisfaction of the tongue. The same benefit you can derive from the milk. But because they are rascals, madmen, they think that eating and drinking the blood of the cow is better than drinking milk. Milk is nothing but transformation of the blood. Everyone knows. Everyone knows. Just like a human being, mother. As soon as the child is born, immediately, before the child is born, you don't find in the breast of the mother any drop of milk. See, any young girl, there is no milk in the breast. But as soon as the child is born, immediately, spontaneous. This is God's arrangement. Because the child requires food, just see how God's arrangement is there. Still, we are trying for economic development. If a child is born and God's economic program is so nice, nature's economic program, that immediately the mother is ready with the milk. This is economic development. So, the same milk is supplied by the cow. She is actually mother. And this rascal civilization is killing mother. Mother killing civilization. You see. You suck the breast of your mother from the beginning of your life, and when she is old, if you think a mother is useless, burden, cut its throat. Is that civilization? Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama